Good evening, everyone. Welcome to the channel. Before I begin, here are my disclaimers. Today I am going to give you an update about AUTOHOME-S latest report. AUTOHOME Inc. offers a diverse range of services and businesses, including online automobile content and tools through 3 websites, media services, such as automaker advertising and regional marketing campaigns, leads generation services for dealers and individual car sellers, AUTOHOME Mall, an online transaction platform, online bidding platform, for used automobiles, commission-based facilitation of auto financing and insurance transactions on its platform. The stock price of AUTOHOME-S has dropped significantly over the past year due to several factors. A major contributor was the downgrade by JP Morgan, which reduced their price target by 22.22%. Additionally, Daewoo's lowered target price and anticipation of weak Q3 results further contributed to the decline. The company's own quarterly reports also showed disappointing revenue and profit numbers, with a 6.9% drop in revenue and a 24.5% fall in net profit for Q3 2024. Furthermore, the decline in leads generation services due to a decrease in paying dealers offset growth in its online marketplace, leading to a 20% decline in this area. These events collectively led to a downward trend in AUTOHOME-S stock price over the past year. The primary drivers of revenue growth or decline in a company's financial performance can be identified through various indicators. On one hand, revenue growth is driven by content diversification, the robust performance of new retail business, and increased online marketplace and other revenues. Specifically, online marketplace and others have shown significant growth, with an increase of 32.1% year-over-year. On the other hand, revenue decline is attributed to a decrease in media services and leads generation services. Media services have experienced a decline of 8.7%, while leads generation services have seen a drop of 20.1%. This indicates that these areas require attention and improvement to boost revenue growth. Net income and profit margins. A shift in performance. The financial performance of AUTOHOME has undergone significant changes between 2024 and 2025. Notably, net income decreased by RMB 4.7 million, 1.1%, to RMB 436.6 million in 2025, indicating a slight decline. However, the decrease in adjusted net income attributable to AUTOHOME was more pronounced at RMB 90.3 million, 18.1%. Profit margins also experienced fluctuations. The gross profit margin decreased from 77.3% in 2024 to 63.7% in 2025, while the operating profit margin increased from 4.6% to 8.3%. This contrasting trend suggests that AUTOHOME's cost structure and operational efficiency have improved, but its pricing power and revenue growth have been impacted. The net income margin decreased by 0.4 percentage points to 23.8%, while the adjusted net margin declined by 5.1 percentage points to 22.9%. These decreases indicate a reduction in AUTOHOME's ability to convert sales into profits. Overall, the changes in net income and profit margins suggest that AUTOHOME is facing challenges in maintaining its revenue growth and profitability. The company's financial performance indicates a significant milestone in its growth trajectory. One notable achievement is the generation of positive operating cash flow. This development signifies that the company has successfully managed to cover its operational expenses and generate excess funds, which can be utilized for future investments or debt repayment. The ability to produce positive operating cash flow demonstrates the company's financial stability and resilience, setting a strong foundation for continued growth and success. Management is expressing concern about the company's financial performance, citing a decline in adjusted net margin from 28% in 2024 to 22.9% in 2025. This decrease is also reflected in non-GAAP earnings per share and ADS, which have dropped from $1.02/$4.09 to $0.87/$3.47 over the same period. The company has demonstrated its commitment to returning value to shareholders through 2 key initiatives. Firstly, it has paid dividends, providing a direct return on investment to shareholders in the form of $1.20 per American Depositary Share, ADS, or $0.30 per ordinary share. Secondly, the company has engaged in share repurchases, acquiring 5,483,238 ADSs for a total cost of $145.9 million. These actions reflect the company's focus on rewarding its shareholders and enhancing their investment returns. That concludes the financial summary for AUTOHOME-S. Feel free to comment below, and I will be happy to answer them when possible.